Pok. I'm using this one. It's heavy. Okay, tapos na yung ating garlic. Now, need natin ng Hi everybody! Today, gagawa tayo ng DIY minced garlic. Hindi mo na kailangan magpokpok every time na magluluto ka. Okay, let's start! Okay, of course, first, alisin natin yung matigas. Right here. Careful lang kayo, guys. My husband texts me. So, make it pok, just a little so yung juice hindi mawawala. Ingay. Okay, ayan. I'm using, I don't know how, what is this called again? I forgot how to call this, guys. So, this is my pok. I'm using this one. It's heavy. Okay, tapos na yung ating garlic. Now, need natin ng olive oil. Kahit anong oil, lalagyan natin ng oil. Tapos kung may bottle kayo, ayan, gagamit tayo ng container or bote. Ayan. And then, and this is important, ang tawag dito, food processor o maliit na blender. Ayan. Ayan, i-grind natin. Or i-chop. Okay. There you go. Okay, mag-start na tayo. Buksan na natin ang ating food processor. My gosh. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung bawang. Lagyan daw natin ng konting asin. Natutunan ko lang din to sa TikTok. Okay? Lagyan daw natin ng konting asin. Konting-konti lang. Okay, sara na natin. And, start na tayong i-chop. Chop. Huwag nyo masyadong i-chop, guys. Chop. Okay, tapos na. Okay, ang ganda niya, oh. Ginagamit ko na to, guys. Okay naman siya. Nandun pa rin yung flavor niya. Ayan. Ite-transfer na natin sa bote with olive oil. Ayan ang gamit ko, bote. Yung chopper ko at saka grind. Ayan, electric siya. So, and ite-transfer na natin. Naalisin na natin ito. Ayan, transfer now. Nahulog na. And that's it. Yan natin yung olive oil. Finished product. Nasa inyo po kung gusto nyo nagdagan ng oil, maganda nakababad sa oil. Yun lamang po. Thank you for watching. Bye! Promise magugustuhan nyo to. Save yung time at saka yung paghuhugas ng mga pinaggamitan nyo. Thank you. Bye! Ayan, cheese ang ginamit ko.